Hey everyone, today we're diving into something that's going to change the way you think about cleaning, a robot vacuum cleaner. But hold up, this isn't just any robot vacuum. This one's a total game changer. It doesn't just zip around picking up crumbs and pet hair. Oh no, we're talking about a vacuum that cleans itself and even empties its own dustbin. Yeah, you heard that right. If you think you've seen it all when it comes to robot vacuums, this one's going to blow your mind. By the end of this video, you'll be rethinking your entire house cleaning routine. What really got us about this vacuum is just how hands-off it is. I mean, we've all had those regular robot vacuums before, right? They do their thing, but at the end of the day, you're still emptying the dustbin, cleaning the filter, maybe even pulling out hair from the brush roll. Not with this one. This vacuum takes all of that off your plate. It literally empties its own dustbin, and wait for it, it even washes its own mop. Yep, you're looking at a robot vacuum that cleans itself. Let that sink in for a minute. So how does this work? It's got this base station that's so much more than just a charging dock. When the vacuum finishes its round, it heads back to the station, and boom, magic happens. It empties its dustbin into a larger bin in the base, so you don't have to deal with it for weeks. Next level convenience, right? And when it comes to mopping, it's even better. The mop gets washed and cleaned at the base station too. No more dragging a dirty mop across your floors. It keeps everything fresh and ready for the next clean. It's like having your own personal cleaning assistant that takes care of everything for you. Now, you're probably thinking, this has to be a pain to set up, right? Nope, it's actually super easy. You just plug it in, connect it to your phone through the app, and you're ready to go. The app lets you control the vacuum, set up cleaning schedules, and even decide which rooms get cleaned when. Want the living room done before you get home, but not the bedrooms? No problem. You can map out your whole house, and the vacuum follows it perfectly. And here's the kicker, it remembers everything, so you don't have to reset it each time. Speaking of mapping, the navigation on this thing is on another level. It's got advanced sensors that let it move around your home like a pro. Whether it's dodging obstacles, avoiding stairs, or figuring out the most efficient path to clean, this vacuum handles it all. No more random bumping into walls or missing spots. This one plans out its route to make sure every inch of your floor is spotless. And get this, it vacuums and mops at the same time. You don't need separate gadgets or attachments. It sucks up dust and debris, then immediately mops the floor to take care of any grime or stains. If you're like me and don't have time to clean every day, this is a total game changer. Plus, it works on both carpets and hard floors without any manual adjustments. Whether you've got rugs, tile, hardwood, or a mix, it can handle it all with ease. Now, you're probably wondering, does it really clean as well as a traditional vacuum? The answer is yes, 100%. The suction power on this thing is no joke. It picks up dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and whatever else you've got on your floor. And since it empties itself, you don't have to worry about the bin filling up halfway through. It just keeps going until the job's done. And the mop? It's not just dragging a damp cloth around. It's actually scrubbing those stubborn spots, leaving your floor spotless and shiny. So, yeah, this robot vacuum is seriously next level. If you've been on the fence about getting one, now might be the time. It's not just about cleaning, it's about making your life a whole lot easier.